guys, we are not where we usually are today. We are in New York shooting a video with Google, but we had some extra time in the city, so we thought it'd be fun to do a fun spin on a Q&A. Ooh, so instead of doing our regular Q&A, and if you guys have been with us, you realize that we're starting to do this trend every time we travel. So we decided to do a Q&A travel day AMA. But today we're doing an assume something about me, which is a little bit different than a Q&A. I've seen this on Instagram a lot, so we're taking it off Instagram, putting it on YouTube. Although we asked you to assume something about us on Instagram, we are gonna answer or respond to your assumptions about us in this video as we tour around New York. Dumbo, specifically. There's like New York, Brooklyn, Dumbo. We only have a couple hours, so let's go. Ready? Someone thinks that Kelsey's not single. I'm single, so you assumed wrong. Becky, you were born a blonde. My seriously overgrown roots can disprove that. Were you born that way? Baby, she was not born that way. Baby, I was born very brunette. Kelsey, you had a super rebellious phase in high school, yeah? No, not at all. Insert photos that disprove that. Kelsey, you're a morning person? Yeah. I'm a middle of the afternoon person. I like to sleep in the morning and night. Becky is older. Yes. Sorry, I had to think about that. Wait, why? I don't know why. Older than me. You're like, older than what? You. I assume. I was just like, am I? Just all the smells. You are a germaphobe? No, as I put on a hat that's vintage. Probably it's full of germs. Really couldn't find that sweater. I'm really sad about it. Wow. DIY with these babies. They're like true vintage. Looks like it. Do we need anything? We need everything. What are those? What is this classic shape?
This is like hotel key shape.
Vintage?
Pretty sure. Make the fanciest keychains with these.
Kelsey, you actually really want a Vespa. In Europe, yeah. Here, no. No grind. Becky? Sorry. You're the type of person to bump into something and say sorry. Yeah. Yeah.
Kelsey, you cut your own bangs?
Why? Sometimes, but I also get them trimmed at the hair salon. They usually do it for free, you know? Becky, you do the taxes and stuff for the business? For my own life? No. I don't like math or any of that. I'm not good at it. For my own life?
Your style selected series is inspired by Mr. Kate.
I think Becky and I are inspired by Mr. Kate overall, but style selected, that was just inspired by like all the home HGTV shows I saw growing up and Becky.
And we always try and put our own spin on stuff. Spill it, Kelsey, spill it.
What? The tea? Where's the tea?
Kelsey, you're type A.
Yeah, by the way, we're behind schedule, let's go. Becky, you still don't like olives? Yes, unfortunately. What, you don't like them? I tried.
I want to try and make myself like olives.
Oh.
All right, back at it again with the olives.
Oh. On that note, you should watch Becky's journey into trying to like olives.
I tried so hard, man. I tried. I guess not hard enough.
On the vlog channel, so make sure you guys go check that out. Thanks for following along with us on our travel day kind of Q&A, assume anything about us, AMA. If you like it, like it. If you love it, love it. See you next time.
Bye.